is the second most abundant metal in the Earth's crust? Correct answer is iron. Which alloy is used in making heating elements for electric heating devices? Answer is nichrome. Which is the element found on the surface of the moon? Answer is titanium. Radioactive disintegration of uranium ultimately results in which formation? Answer is lead. Which variety of glass is heat resistant? Answer is Pyrex glass. Which synthetic fiber is known as artificial silk? Answer is rayon. Which fertilizer has more nitrogen content? Answer is urea. Which is the essential element in all organic compounds? Answer is carbon. Which substance coated on plastic tape? Answer is iron oxide. Which is used in welding industry? Answer is acetylene. Which element present in the largest amount in rocks and minerals? Answer is silicon. Which is used as a material for making protective windows in space probes? Answer is diamond. Non-stick cooking utensils are coated with which metal? Answer is Teflon. Which substance is a bad conductor of electricity but a good conductor of heat? Answer is mica. Which is the most unreactive gas? Answer is hydrogen. IC chips for computers are usually made of which metal? Answer is silicon. In fireworks, how is the green flame produced? Answer is because of barium. By which an element is best characterized? Answer is by its atomic number. Which when dissolved in HO gives hissing sound? Answer is limestone. What are rubies and sapphires chemically known as? Answer is aluminium oxide. Which material is suitable for water purification? Answer is zeolites. Which glass is used in bulletproof screens? Answer is reinforced glass. What is used in preparing matchsticks? Answer is red phosphorus. Which type of glass can cut off ultraviolet rays? Answer is Crookes glass. From which are contact lenses made? Answer is lucite.